What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, I am bringing the heat with deals from CVS. Yes, I know I said CVS. So stay tuned if you want to get in on these CVS deals too. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn those post notifications on so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Deals from CVS. Okay, y'all. In a little bit, y'all gonna find out what brung me to CVS. But in the meantime, in between time, I want to show y'all some other items. Starting off with the Snuggle Blue Sparkle. They were on clearance for $1.74, y'all. Yes. I noticed while I went to like 3 or 4 CVS's, y'all, they have a lot of stuff on clearance, so you might want to go check out your local CVS. But yeah, these were $1.74. The original price on these was $6.99. Then on the Gain products, y'all, the Gain liquid is $9.99. And if you have the app Coupons 24, they give you tons of coupons, y'all, on Tag, Gain, and just a lot of other stuff that you can and then you can actually use these coupons in CVS. So check out Coupons 24. Download it on your Play Store and make you an account, and then you will see all the coupons they have to offer. But this Game liquid was $9.99. In Coupons 24, we have a $2 off, making it $7.99. And then on the Gain Flings, it's the 42 count. They were $9.99 as well. And we have a $3 off in the Coupons 24 app, making it $6.99. So these are the first little items I got. Now let me show y'all the main reason what brung me to CVS. Okay, y'all, this is the reason that I went to CVS, y'all, was to stock up on diapers. And it looks, by the looks of it, I was like late in my area. I only went to like 3 though. I didn't feel like going super hard. It was too hot and all the other types of stuff. But yes, y'all, diapers like up to 75% off, probably even more on diapers, certain diapers at that. So the ones that I got, I know they are on clearance. So be on the lookout for those. But let's get into these prices, y'all. Okay, on the big boxes of Pampers Cruisers, and I found 2 size 7s and 1 size 6. They were $8.58. Yes, I said it correctly, $8.58. Then on the Huggies size 4 box, which is the little movers, and it has the little black baby on the front. It was $7.63, y'all. Yes, 7 whole dollars. Cannot beat that at all. Then on the Huggies bags, the size 6 and the size 2, $3.09, y'all. $3 for a 12 or $13 bag of diapers, y'all. You cannot beat that at all. Then on the Huggies preemie diapers, they were $3.54, y'all. And these are usually like $11 or $12 at CVS. So to get these at $3, That is a luxury, y'all. So definitely go to your local CVS and see if y'all can find any diapers on sale, and especially if y'all have small children and diapers. So y'all already know I got a grandson and he is going to use these diapers, y'all. So yeah, CVS today, y'all. I'm kind of burnt out on Walgreens. Maybe it's just the Walgreens that's in my area because I do not like some of the workers that work in there. When they see couponers come in, they act like it's the end of the world. They don't want to help. They don't want to scan. They don't want to do nothing except laugh, play, and pretend like they working. But yeah, y'all, that was the end of my video. CVS today is what I did. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video and if y'all gonna get out and get some of these diapers while they are cheap, because right now they are up for grabs, and you know, people will be up on these deals and snatching them off the shelves quickly. And I'm lucky to find the ones that I did find. But like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.